How to lose weight by mixing baking soda, lemon juice and water. Baking soda is more than just a cake-raising ingredient, it has various health and beauty benefits attributed to it. One of the biggest benefits is that it is known to counter acid reflux, thanks to its alkaline properties. It helps neutralize stomach acids and provides relief from indigestion in adults. Most health experts swear by mixing baking soda with water, which is also a great source of relieving heartburn, of course in limited quantity. But, not many people know that they can use baking soda to lose extra pounds. It is very effective in decreasing the excess of fat from the body without side effects. In this video you can find a recipe that will help you lose extra pounds, fats and can help you boost your health. Baking soda enables the body for absorbing the healthy nutrients from the food. It is also known that the alkaline environment is much better than the acidic environment. Other than gastrointestinal problems, you can use baking soda for reducing inflammation, balancing the pH and help healing, boosting energy and performance, relieving the urinary infection symptoms and its anti-acidic properties. Let's see how to prepare recipe for losing fat. You will need ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 glass of mineral water. The procedure is very simple, put all the ingredients together, mix it and it is ready. It is best to use it every morning, on an empty stomach after waking up. There is no limit on how long you can drink it. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel. If you want more tips, hit the notification bell so you will be notified with our new videos. Thank you for watching.